Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable the Webmaster on the Power Director application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find the three line at the upper right corner of the home screen. Click that and go to the settings section. Click to the second button, the preferences, and in the advanced section you can find the third button, the Webmaster Clips, by dragging thumbnails. If you want to enable this function, click to the next white circle icon, and if it will be turned blue, this function will be enabled, so you can use that. If you want to turn off, click that again, and that's it. So simple. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.